Good day, my dear viewers. I will be sharing to you ways on how to use your cell phones for your online classes in SEAMEO. This way, you can still join your online classes wherever you are. To start, of course, you need to open your browser. So this is now the picture of the browser of the site of SEAMEO, where you need to log in first. You're going to type your username. The username will be given to you by the technical assistant of this portal. Your password, you are the one to make or to write your own. And of course, you need to check to remember username for you to log in automatically the next time around. So this is now the inside portal of SEAMEO. As you can see, I have here a picture, my profile. So we have here the online users, my classmates, the calendar. Now we're going to click this area. As you can see, there are icons: dashboard, site, home, calendar, private files, my courses, and the C21. This one should be clicked. And this is now the inside of that icons here. In this part, there are areas or icons. We have here the forum, the written requirements, the chat, the competency checklist, the rating, the course evaluation. In the forum, let's open the forum. Sorry for that. In this area, you can see our submission, our written submission to the forum. I'm sorry for that again. Okay. Now let's take for example, your professor would like to ask you to submit your self-introduction in the forum. So here's what you need to click. Just click add a new discussion topic, write your subject, write your message, or if there is an image to be passed, you can use this one as well, and it will automatically link to your phone. It will sync to your phone, And let's go to the written requirements. For the written requirements, we have here, let's take it for example, assignment 2, because I already submitted my assignment A1. So here's the status of my submission. You are going to add submission. Attach a file, upload the file, choose a file to your phone, okay, and upload this file, and it will automatically be submitted to that portal. And for the chat room is the most important one here. So we have here the three areas. Click here to enter the chat now. Use more accessible interface. View past chat sessions. Now let's click here to enter chat now. This will link you to another portal wherein all of the discussions will be taking place. And use more accessible interface. That is where you are going to submit or to chat your co-participants. In the view past chat sessions, it is a part of an area of the chat room wherein you could be able to view the past chat sessions if you were absent, for example. Let's take it for example, I was absent last session. So here's the chat discussions of my co-participants and my professor. In this way, I could be able to read the assignment or the requirements of my professor to be submitted the next classes online. And let's have the competency checklist. In the competency checklist, we have 4 modules, the pre-test, post-test. So you are going to click this one, answer, or just check the questions there. It's so easy. Rating. And this way, you can view your grade. Your grade counts not by numbers, but by letters. For example, I already submitted my assignment 1 and I got A+ for that. And I hope to get the rest of the requirements of A+. Sorry for that again. And for the course evaluation, so you're going to answer the questions there, about the course SEAMEO. This is my flexible learning tutor and his technical support. And of course, do not forget to download your reading materials, the modules. The modules can be found there in that area. The course learning package is module 1, 2 reading, required readings and learner's guide. Okay. And now for you to change your profile, you need to click this area, dashboard, your profile. You can change it if you wish to change the picture. Okay. And so that's how this portal of SEAMEO works in mobile phones. Enjoy your tutorial in online classes using your mobile phones. God bless everyone. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.